Welcome to the PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya OCF Sector 29B, Chandigarh. Our school is proud to be a part of the PM Shri Schools initiative. As a PM Shri school, we aim to provide high-quality education in an equitable, inclusive and joyful school environment that takes care of the diverse backgrounds, multilingual needs, and different academic abilities of our students. We also strive to offer leadership to other schools in our neighborhood and share our best practices and learning outcomes with them, as per the vision of the PM Shri schools. Our Vidyalaya has adopted the drip irrigation system, a type of micro-irrigation system that saves water and nutrients by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of plants. The drip irrigation system has helped us to improve the yield and quality of our plants, reduce water consumption and labor cost, and prevent soil erosion and weed growth. Our Vidyalaya has installed an incinerator, a device that disposes of used sanitary napkins in a hygienic and eco-friendly way. The incinerator is easy to use, safe, and odorless, and it helps to prevent the spread of infections and diseases caused by improper disposal of napkins. Our Vidyalaya has organized a series of activities under the 21st Century Skills Program to enhance the knowledge and skills of our students and teachers in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, media, and communication. The AI workshop will introduce the basics of AI, its applications and challenges, and how to use various AI tools and software for content creation, data analysis, and problem solving. The media seminar will cover the topics of media literacy, ethics, and safety, and how to use media effectively for learning, teaching, and social change. The communication skills lectures will focus on developing the oral and written communication skills of our students and teachers, and how to use them for academic, professional, and personal purposes. Our Vidyalaya organized a calligraphy writing workshop for our students to learn the art of beautiful handwriting and enhance their creativity and expression. The workshop was a fun and interactive session where we practiced writing letters, words, and sentences in calligraphy and received feedback and guidance from the instructor. Our Vidyalaya conducted a medical checkup of all the students to assess their health status and identify any health issues or concerns. The medical checkup included a general physical examination, dental and oral check, eye checkup, ENT checkup, and diet and counseling. The medical checkup was done by qualified and experienced doctors and nurses who provided us with a detailed report of our health condition and advised us on how to improve our health and well-being. Our Vidyalaya invited some safety experts to provide us with some useful safety tips for our daily life and work environment. The safety experts also demonstrated some practical skills and scenarios to help us understand how to prevent and respond to accidents and emergencies. Our Vidyalaya has installed solar panel lights, a renewable and clean energy source that uses solar cells to convert sunlight into electricity. The solar panel lights have reduced our dependence on grid power, lowered our electricity bills, and improved the illumination and security of our Vidyalaya. Toy library is a wonderful addition to our Vidyalaya, providing a space where children can explore, learn, and play. It's a place that houses a variety of toys, games, and play materials that cater to different age groups and developmental needs. It's a treasure that sparks joy and creativity, making learning a playful and engaging experience for every child. The recent acquisition of a comprehensive range of chemistry lab instruments marks a transformative moment for our school's science department. These instruments will serve as a catalyst for enriching our curriculum, allowing students to translate theoretical knowledge into practical experience. By providing access to modern equipment, we are setting the stage for innovative experiments and fostering a hands-on approach to learning. Some other implementations under PM Shri in our Vidyalaya.